In this video, you'll learn how to edit Microsoft Forms so you can quickly update questions, tweak wording, or adjust options without having to start from scratch. Whether you're fixing a typo, improving a survey, or updating a quiz, I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do step by step. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Forms. You can do this by going to the Microsoft Forms website in your browser or by opening it through your Microsoft 365 apps if it's available in your organization. Make sure you're signed in with the account where your form is saved. Once you're logged in, you'll land on a page that shows your existing forms and quizzes, usually under something like My Forms or a similar section. Now, look through your list of forms and select the form you want to edit. This might be a survey you sent out last week, a feedback form for an event, or a quiz you've given to students or colleagues. When you click on the form's title, Microsoft Forms will open it in editing mode. You should see a preview of your form with all your existing questions, sections, and any images or descriptions you've already added. Next, to start editing, click on any question or section you want to change. When you click on a question, it becomes active and you'll see the editing controls appear around it. This tells you that you can now modify what's there. You can move your cursor into the question text to change the wording, fix spelling or grammar, or make the question clearer. This is especially helpful if you've received feedback that a question was confusing or ambiguous. If your question has options like multiple choice answers, you can click directly on any option to edit the text. For example, you can rename an option, correct a typo, or add more detail so respondents understand exactly what they're choosing. You can also remove options you no longer need or add new ones by using the controls that appear below the existing choices. Take a moment to read through each question as if you were a respondent and adjust the text to make it as clear and concise as possible. Beyond just the wording, you can also modify the settings for each question. Look for options to mark a question as required if you want to make sure everyone answers it, or turn off the required setting if you want to make it optional. Depending on the question type, you may see additional settings, such as allowing multiple answers, shuffling options, or adding restrictions like number ranges or text length. These settings help you control how people respond and can improve the quality of the data you collect. If your form is divided into sections, you can click on a section header to edit the section title or description. This is useful for organizing longer forms, guiding people through different topics, or adding instructions at key points. Editing sections works just like editing questions. Click, change the text, and the form updates instantly. As you make changes, Microsoft Forms saves your edits automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing your work. When you're done, you can use the preview option to see your form the way respondents will see it and make any final adjustments before sharing it again.